It's time to Fiesta. The Fiesta portable wood-fire pizza oven is very easy to assemble and no tools are needed. In fact, the oven comes inside a box with all you will need to start using it with ease straight away. It was specifically designed for making a perfect pizza the Italian way. It will cook a pizza in less than 2 minutes. It will also cook roast, stews, any traditional dish you desire. Because it is portable and easily handled by a single person, you can lend it to friends or family, which is what cooking is all about. You can also take it with you on a caravan holiday or to the cottage house in the car trunk for the weekend. It's great for all kinds of events and gatherings. Now you can make your favorite meals in this amazing oven. Everything will come out delicious and perfectly cooked. This oven has a 550 by 470 millimeter internal cooking area. It weighs 22 kilograms and has a built-in thermometer. It will fit one large pizza perfectly and cook it in 60 to 80 seconds. This oven heats up in just 15 minutes. The Fiesta Portable Wood Fire Pizza Oven.